Hey everyone, welcome to Easy-Peasy Theory video podcasts. Today's concept is Backlash by Susan Faludi. Do you know the concept of backlash? It is a book, Backlash, the Undeclared War Against Women. It is in that book where she developed this term. In this book, Susan Faludi refers to the societal response to the feminist movement in the 1980s. In other words, how the society responded to the feminists of the 1980s. Now, what does Faludi argue? She argues that as women began to gain more equality and power, particularly in the workplace, there was a reactionary backlash from the traditionalists. The traditional people did not appreciate this freedom, this new opportunity that women began to hold. And these traditionalists feared this change. And what did they do? They pushed back the women into the traditional gender roles. That is what happened in America. Susan Faludi is talking about America. And this backlash that happened in America took many forms. It included media portrayals of the supermom or career woman as both unhappy, as unfulfilled. The hard-earned freedom and opportunity that women enjoyed are all wasted. That is the meaning. There were also attacks on affirmative feminist action. And there was also the marginalization of feminist voices. Feminists were relegated into textbooks. They never attained mainstream position in media and politics. So Susan Faludi contends that there was this backlash against feminism. And this backlash was not accidental. This backlash that feminism met with was not a natural response of the society, but it was intentionally orchestrated by the conservatives, by conservative political groups and individuals seeking to weaken the gains of the feminist movement. So this term became a very important term in post-feminism. I hope you have understood what is meant by backlash. I'll be back with more Easy-Peasy Theory video podcasts. Until then, bye-bye and thank you.